Welcome to Tendo Digital Journey channel. In every corner of the world, there exists a unique symphony of flavors. Today, we journey to the heart of Asia, where centuries-old recipes blend with innovative culinary techniques to create a tapestry of dishes that are as diverse as they are delicious. And among these, there's one that stands out, a delicate parcel of joy, the Sui Kiaw. A savory delight that encapsulates the spirit of Asian cuisine, wrapped in a thin layer of mystery. Join us as we embark on this culinary adventure, unraveling the secrets of the perfect Sui Kiaw from the comfort of your home kitchen. Ever pondered over the secret of crafting the perfect Sui Kiaw at home? Today we unravel the mystery of this delightful Asian dumpling, known for its savory filling and silky wrapper. This culinary journey promises to be a whirlwind of flavors and techniques, so prepare to embark on a tantalizing adventure into the heart of Asian cuisine. First, gather all the essential ingredients. The list might seem long, but each element plays a crucial role in creating the harmonious taste of Sui Kiaw. You'll need ground pork, shrimps, water chestnuts, Chinese chives, sesame oil, soy sauce, and a pack of dumpling wrappers. The first step towards creating Sui Kiaw is to prepare the filling. Begin by chopping the shrimp into small pieces, ensuring they're almost minced. Next, finely dice the water chestnuts and Chinese chives. Combine these with the ground pork in a large bowl. Drizzle in the sesame oil and soy sauce to give the mixture a rich and savory flavor. The key here is to mix until you achieve a sticky, cohesive filling. Now comes the part that requires a sprinkle of patience and a dash of dexterity: wrapping the dumplings. Lay out a dumpling wrapper and place a spoonful of the filling in the center. Wet the edges of the wrapper with a bit of water. Fold it in half and pinch the edges to seal it. The aim is to create a half-moon shape with a secure seal to prevent the filling from escaping during cooking. Once all your dumplings are assembled, it's time to cook them. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then gently lower in the dumplings. They're done when they float to the surface, which usually takes around 5 minutes. And there you have it. The art of making Sui Kiaw demystified. To recap, the process includes preparing a flavorful filling, mastering the art of wrapping, and boiling the dumplings until they float. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each dumpling you wrap brings you one step closer to achieving Sui Kiaw mastery. Remember, the beauty of Sui Kiaw lies in its simplicity. It's a humble dish, yet each bite is a symphony of flavors that tells a story of tradition and culinary craftsmanship. So the next time you crave this Asian delight, don't reach for the takeout menu. Instead, embrace the challenge and create your own Sui Kiaw. There's truly nothing more satisfying than savoring a dish you've crafted with your own hands. And on that note, we conclude our culinary journey for today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and most importantly, keep savoring the delights of Asian cuisine. Also, please consider clicking the subscribe button. If you have any idea on our next cuisine, write us in the comment area. We will try not to fail any suggestions given to the channel. Thank you.